In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring event in Google Calendar using Google Workspace for Business. Google Calendar is a powerful organizational tool, and setting up recurring events can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you have regular meetings, deadlines, or appointments. So let's get started on making your scheduling much more efficient. To begin, open Google Calendar in your browser. This is your hub for all things scheduling and will allow you to manage your calendar effectively. Once you're in Google Calendar, look towards the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click this button. This will open up a new window where you can enter all the details for your event. Now it's time to add the event title and any necessary details that are relevant to your event. This might include the meeting's name, the purpose, any additional notes or important points that you want to remember or convey to others. Providing comprehensive details can help ensure everyone involved knows exactly what to expect and can bring any necessary materials. Once you've completed this step, move on to setting the date and time for the first occurrence of the event. This will be the baseline for when and how often your event will repeat. With the date and time set, you now need to locate an option labeled Does Not Repeat. You'll find this right under the time settings. Click on the down arrow next to this option. This opens a drop-down menu that will allow you to select your preferred frequency for the event. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often you wish for the event to repeat. Pick the option that best matches your needs. For events that occur on specific days like every Tuesday or the first Monday of the month, Google Calendar gives you the flexibility to customize the repetition to perfectly fit your schedule. After you've selected the repeating pattern, review all the information you've entered. Make sure that dates, times, and details are correct and that the repeat pattern aligns with your expectations. Once everything looks accurate, you're ready for the final step, saving your event. Go ahead and click on the Save button, typically located at the top of the Details window, and there you have it. You've just created a recurring event in Google Calendar using Google Workspace. Now your regular meetings, appointments, or any repetitive activities are scheduled automatically, allowing you more time to focus on what's important. By using Google Calendar's recurring event feature, you can ensure nothing slips through the cracks on your busy schedule. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.